Okay guys, I'm quickly going to show you how to get Higgsfield AI for cheap. I'll be using this platform called Gamsgo to do this. The link is going to be in the description so you can follow along. When you're on the website, just scroll down and locate Higgsfield AI. It's usually positioned on the same line as LinkedIn and Gemini Web. And also, not only it's going to be way cheaper, but I'll give you a discount code I found that will give you an additional 10% off. So once you successfully locate it, do not press the buy button right away and press view more details instead. All the important details you'll need to consider before paying will be laid out. So just pick what fits your needs, and before checking out, click on the promo code section and enter the promo code JAAKF. You can now go ahead and press buy now to complete the final step. If you follow these exact instructions, you'll get to use Higgsfield AI for a way cheaper price. That was it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.